You have done this. You're shopping online, you find something you like and put it in your cart. And then you stop. Is this the right size? Is there a better one for the money? Will it actually look like the photo I just saw online? You're not sure. So you tell yourself you'll come back to it later. And let's be honest, most of the time you just leave it there. Sounds familiar? Well, you're not alone. And imagine every shopper who visits your store doing exactly the same thing. Browsing, hesitating, leaving without buying. Or even worse, buying then returning because of the wrong size. And what about those who buy but still need to ask questions about their order? Every bit of that is friction. And every bit of the friction is costing you today. Now here's the good news. There's a game changer. Salesforce built something called Agentforce. And the simplest way I can put it is this. Think of having your best salesperson on the floor, but available in every single conversation for every shopper at any hour. Someone who listens, understands what the shopper wants, and guides them effortlessly to the perfect choice. Think about it. No more generic chatbots that just field questions. This is an actual agent that does the work. Royal Cyber is a Salesforce Summit Partner, and we were in the first cohort to get Link certified for Agentforce delivery. So we built the retail agent for the way people actually shop. It helps narrow down options, explains sizes with real clarity, and suggests what truly fits the shopper's needs. Want to buy an office outfit? Just go ahead and ask the agent. The agent gets back to you with the right questions like, are you looking for comfort or style? And then shows matching options and helps you compare side by side, tailored to what that particular shopper already likes. And once they're confident in their choice, that's when the personalized suggestions come in, like a gift for your partner or accessories that complete the look, grounded in their reasons for shopping today. From adding items to the cart and adjusting sizes, saving favorites all the way through checkout. Seamless, simple, and personalized. And what happens post-purchase? The same conversation continues, answering questions like where's my order without piling up tickets for your support team. We've actually done this for real. Bokelay, a Canadian retailer, launched Agentforce with us. Within just weeks, they were handling thousands of conversations easily on their own. And that's what turns browsing into buying. Fewer abandoned carts, fewer returns, fewer support tickets, and most importantly, a shopper who feels truly listened to, like they've got the best sales associate in the world working just for them. So if you're ready to transform your online shopping experience, reduce friction, boost conversions, and make your customers happier, then stay tuned. Because in our next video, we are going live with the retail agent, from the first hello all the way to a completed order and beyond. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching. And hey, remember, great shopping experiences start here. Let's make it happen.